Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a look at SOFTR versus WEBFLOW to see which one is better. So I have here a list with different pros for each one of them. So we're going to start with SOFTR, ideal for building web apps and client portals using Airtable or Google Sheets. User-friendly drag and drop interface, limited design customization option, pricing starts at $24 per month. Then we have WebFlow, best for creating visually stunning responsive websites, offer extensive design flexibility and customization, steeper learning curve compared to SOFTR. Pricing starts at $12 per month. Now, if you want, you can use SOFTR for quick, data-driven web apps with minimal design needs, or you can simply use WebFlow for custom high-quality websites requiring advanced design control. Now that's up to you and what you are looking for, but overall that's it for today's video. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.